हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us around the world this moment through Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel and 28 places in two-way video conferencing in 22 countries around the world. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Oklahoma Somanatham. Blessings to Oklahoma for installing Meenakshi deity. Oklahoma is the best kept temple in all our temples all over the world. Cities sitting with us: Melbourne, Australia; Calgary, Amarnath; Enriching Temple, Nityanandanagar; Kathmandu, Nepal; Colorado Springs, USA; Mumbai and Thiruvanmiyur, Chennai; San Diego, Thiruvalavai; Ohio, Ma Shivananda; Washington DC, Sripuram; Vancouver, Bhubaneswar; Hyderabad, Guptakashi; New York, Varanasi; Singapore, Singapuram; East London, UK; Bangalore North, Spain; Madrid, Spain; the Guru's Gate, California; Dubai, Vaidyanatham; St. Louis, Tirumala; Toronto, Kailasam; San Jose, Madurai; Guadalupe, Rameshwaram; Varanasi; Houston, Kalahasti; Nityanandanagaram, Hyderabad; Kulim, Tiruttani; Oman, Sivagangai; Los Angeles, Arunachalam; Ohio, Prayag; Seattle, Chidambaram; Charlotte, Srisailam. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today's subject for Nitya Satsang is Nirahara Samyama. Again, I'll expand on Nirahara Samyama. Whoever wants to start the Nirahara Samyama from tomorrow, we are starting the level 1. Please understand, the Nirahara Samyama, from tomorrow we are starting. Level 1 will be 2 days, then 1 day break, then level 2 will be 7 days, then 1 day break, then level 3 will be 11 days. So, you will also be learning a Kriya for Nirahara Samyama from tomorrow. Please understand, you will be doing the Kriya directly, seeing the satsang in the morning. My only request, you should be doing the Kriya live, only then the Nirahara Samyama will happen in your system. If you are doing this Kriya on your own, the same effect will not be there. So do not try to play. Do not try to take a risk of recording it and doing it later on. You can record and do it later on, but you will not have the effect of Nirahara Samyama. It will help you to be more energetic, to be more alive. For that it will help you. But to experience the Nirahara effect, you need to meditate live. You need to do this Kriya live. Multiple ways you can enroll for this Nirahara Samyama, which is free. Of course, you don't need to pay anything. It is free, but you need to register so that we send you the procedures of do's and don'ts to your mail ID. First, the multiple ways you can register. Visit our website nithyananda.org and register for Nirahara Samyama in the events section. That's one. Second, you can just email us at programs@nithyananda.org with your name and phone number. Third, you can call the number in the screen 080-2727-9999 and register your name for Nirahara Samyama. In any one way you can register, but everyone is expected to register. No one without registering will do it on your own. If you do it on your own, you are on your own. You need to know you are responsible for all the results. And tomorrow, before coming to the Nirahara Samyama, eat fully, as if this is the last meal you are having. And it may be last meal, because usually after Nirahara Samyama, some people just stay forever without food. So, eat fully and come for Nirahara Samyama level 1 initiation. If you feel hungry or tired or low energy, etc., you have to break the fast and eat immediately. You can drink juice, soup, buttermilk, anything liquid and drinkable, nothing to chew or semi-solid. During the Nirahara Samyama, you can drink juice, soup or buttermilk, anything liquid and drinkable. Means first we remove the job of digesting, means the chewing and digesting job. And when the chewing is stopped, the taste is taken away. So first I am removing all the pride and taste components from your food, from your eating pattern. So step by step, you can conquer the pattern. Understand, this Nirahara Samyama can literally do wonders to you. It can just shake and take you beyond so many sufferings which you go through, so many of the useless patterns with which you are wasting life, especially if you feel whole day you are doing something but nothing is happening end of the day. How many of you feel that way? All of you should do Nirahara Samyama. It means you are caught in the useless patterns. You are caught in complete negative, useless patterns. You are unaware. I tell you, if you record whatever is going on in you whole day and hear it again, you will understand a simple worry. If somebody disrespects you, how you hate them and how you don't want to be disrespected, just that pattern. You will see almost per day 10 hours is swallowed by it. One single pattern, 10 hours is swallowed by it. And the next funny thing, please understand, the next funny thing, sometimes just that you should not have anger, you should control anger, that pattern alone will be eating 15 hours of your day, but 25 times you will be getting angry every day. You will see very funnily, the same pattern which eats your time does not get killed also. You will be whole day contemplating, I should not be angry, I should not be angry, I should not be angry. I should do something to get out of anger. I should not be angry, I should not be angry. And the moment some situation comes, come on, over. You will explode. I should not be depressed, I should not be depressed, I should not be agitated. The moment some small situation, you are out, power is gone, fuse is gone for next 10 days. Understand? Most of the time, you waste so much of your energy. Same way. Whole day you will be thinking, from tomorrow I will do the Akada every day, every day, every day. Next day morning again, during sleep, over. Whenever you are functioning out of pattern, understand, functioning out of pattern is a one more pattern with which you won't be able to break. Functioning out of pattern is a one more pattern. Whole day if you are thinking, you should get out of sleeping pattern. Early morning you will be stuck in the sleeping pattern. Most of your decisions are not conscious decisions. It is routine mechanical decisions. There are some speakers I have seen. Just as a robot, they sit and they are switched off and they go on talking. They go on talking. Most of the time, you are not even aware of what you are talking, what you are thinking inside. It goes on based on the pattern. It goes on based on the pattern. निराहार संयमा कल से आरंभ हो रहा है. आप उसमें एक क्रिया भी सीखेंगे. आप ये संयमा केवल लाइव यानी प्रत्यक्ष रूप में सत्संग देखने से ही कर पाएंगे. तभी आप निराहार संयमा का लाभ उठा पाएंगे. निराहार संयमा करने से पहले आपको रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा. रजिस्टर करने के लिए आपके टीवी स्क्रीन पे जो नंबर है उस नंबर पर कॉल करके हमें बताइए. निराहार संयमा आपको अनेकों पीड़ाओं और अनुपयोगी विचारधाराओं से ऊपर ले जाएगा. जरा देखिए, जो विचारधारा आपके अंतर आकाश में बसा हुआ है, जिसे आप बाहर आना चाहते हैं, आप इतना समय उसमें व्यर्थ करते हैं, किंतु आप उस विचारधारा से बाहर नहीं आ पाएंगे. जब आप मूल विचारधारा के आधार पर काम करते हैं, आप देखेंगे कि यही एक और मूल विचारधारा है. Understand, one of the biggest loss human beings has is the thought current and the being flow both get separated. It's literally like your life is being stolen away from you. What for you are doing, what you are doing, neither you know nor anybody else knows. See, it's like somebody comes to our welcome center and the guy who is sitting there beats you left and right. Left and right you are beaten. And you ask, why I am being beaten? He says, no, ask my superior. And you go to the superior, why I have been beaten? They say, no, ask the structuring department. You go to the structuring and they say, no, ask the administration. You go to the administration and they say, ask Swamiji. And you come to Swamiji and I say, no, I don't know. Then who is responsible for what is going on? Understand, exactly this is the way your being is functioning. You do not take all your actions and thinking to the logical conclusion. Please understand. 99% of the time, after you get the beating, when the welcome center says, ask my superior, You don't go to superior. Even if you go to superior and the superior says, no, ask my admin team, you don't go to the admin team. Even if the admin team says, ask structuring, that's it, over. 100% of the people never cross the structuring. Understand? In your case also, you do not discover the why for what and how you are doing things. Every day you feel certain powerless moments. Boring, tired, why is this life like this? You feel. But you never take that to the logical conclusion. You don't ask yourself till you get the answer. Why? You do not take your thoughts, words, deeds to the logical conclusion. See, the why in you should be so alive like a fire that should burn all the karmas. I tell you, just if the why is alive, why I am feeling powerless, why I am feeling tired, why I am feeling sick, why I am feeling depressed. Just if the why is strong enough to take you to the logical conclusion, your problems will be solved. As I said, if the welcome center says, ask my boss, that's it. After that you forget and go to the kitchen department, they beat you there. They pour hot water on you and pour little hot tea also. And then you ask, hey, why are you doing this to me? Kitchen says, ask my boss, chief cook. Then you go to the temple, that fellow puts camphor on you and puts a little fire also. You ask, hey, why are you doing this to me? He says, ask the chief priest. You forget to sustain your being with your thought current. Listen. Your being gets always disconnected from your thought current. Your thought goes independently, independent of your being. This is the most unfortunate thing. It is literally like you are robbed of your life. Why you do what you do? Sometimes I see people are such crazy. See, it is not that they are not sincere. They are very sincere to the ideal they have taken up. But they will exactly do the opposite thing. Because the attitude of asking why needs awareness, and you forget to ask why. Understand? Because the attitude of asking why needs awareness. You see, if you ask the welcome center, why are you beating me? They will say, all right, go to my boss. Till you go to the boss, you don't remember what you are supposed to ask the boss, and you forget. You go to the kitchen department and you ask, they ask you, why did you come here? You say, oh, I came to have a cup of tea. And they pour the tea on your face. Hot tea. Then you say, hey, why did you guys do this? They tell, go and ask our boss. Then you go to the temple. By the time you forgot what for you went to the temple, and they ask you, why did you come? You say, I'm feeling burning, but I don't know why. That fellow thinks you want to get burnt and puts the camphor on you. No, if you just, you see, when you listen, you feel like laughing. If you look into your life, Exactly this madness only is going on. The why is not kept alive in you consistently. Why are you doing what you are doing? Understand? Just hold on to this one question. Why are you doing what you are doing? Understand? You need to know why are you doing what you are doing. To keep this one question alive, why are you doing what you are doing? You need completion. If you just keep this one question alive, why are you doing what you are doing? Unable to take this one question to the logical conclusion in your life, I tell you, you will be enlightened. You will radiate enriching. You are so broken. Peace, peace. Why are you doing what you are doing? Listen. Why are you doing what you are doing? That is the most powerful process, methodology. आप जो कर रहे हैं वो क्यों कर रहे हैं, यही सबसे बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है। 99% समय आप ये खोजते ही नहीं कि आप जो कर रहे हैं वो क्यों कर रहे हैं। आप इस क्यों प्रश्न को उसके तार्किक निष्कर्ष तक लेके नहीं जाते, जे क्यों आपके भीतर इतना जागृत होना चाहिए, फिर वो आपकी सभी शक्तिहीन क्षणों का विनाश कर सकता है। आपका जीव, आपका अस्तित्व आपके मूल विचारधारा से अलग है, यही मूल समस्या है। आप जो कर रहे हैं वो क्यों कर रहे हैं, बस इसी प्रश्न के उत्तर की खोज लगातार आप में जीवित रखिए। इसके लिए आपको पूर्णत्व की आवश्यकता है। यदि आप इस क्यों को अपने भीतर जीवित रखते हैं और उसके तार्किक निष्कर्ष तक ले जाते हैं, आप जीवन मुक्त है। Listen, Nirahara Samyama is the powerful way of reminding you to align your being and thinking. This, when you do the Nirahara Samyama, you can't forget why you are doing it. Because constantly your body is going to remind you, you are doing something. This is the best way to take why you are doing what you are doing to the logical conclusion. Understand? And I tell you one more thing. If you fast in the dream, you will be dreaming as if you are feasting, eating. My Nirahara Samyama participants, not single one of you will even have a dream of eating. You will not have a dream you are eating. You will not have a dream of your feasting. Because here you are made to understand why you are doing what you are doing. The why becomes reality. The why is aligned to your being. Listen, this one truth you need to understand very sincerely. thought flow and being flow. If the thought flow is not connected to your being, thought flow will be forgotten. Many times you will build so much of anger to go and attack your friend, shout at him, scream. By the time you reach, you forget all the points. Why should you scream at him? What you are supposed to speak. And you go there, oh, I came just to see and have a cup of coffee with you. And I forgot other things. When I remember, I will come back. When you remember, he is not there. If somebody records your whole day and you see it, either you will understand you are already mad or you are going to become mad. And if others see it, it will be a comedy show. For you, it will be tragedy comedy. For others, it will be comedy. Understand? It's unfortunate that human beings, do not align their thought flow and being. Thought flow just goes on and on and on. The why is forgotten. Why is disconnected from how and what. Whatever you are doing, however you are doing, why you are doing, when it is disconnected, you lose the spirit of life. I tell you, when the why is disconnected from you, your life is stolen away from you. Because context is life. Understand? Context is life. For me, I am giving you my own example. Coming and standing in front of the podium and talking is not my life. Why I am talking is my life. For you, coming early morning and sitting in the hall and listening is not life. Why you are listening is life. Why you are here. Why you are listening. That is going to define your life. Sometime you may be here because outside it is raining. Understand? It is not the content, it is the context. Sometime you may be inside the hall because it is raining outside. Same way, sometime you may be inside the ashram because life is very difficult outside. Why? Why is the life? I tell you, why decides why you get what you get. There are some people, just in 1 year or 2 years inside the ashram or sangha, our organization, they are only 1 or 2 years in the organization. But they raised to that level in enriching themselves and others. There are some who are sitting here for years, but still they are stuck because you here is not your life. Why you are here is the life. Why? Understand? It is not the content but the context which encompasses the content, the context inside of which the content is delivered, which is decisive and which produces the result in your life. If you are here in this hall with context, the life is difficult outside, then just due to the context of difficulty, you will experience only difficulty even if you sit literally in God's feet. Because context is decisive. The right context, even to take sannyas, is necessary. For anything, right context is necessary. First thing I wanted all our Gurukul kids to learn is learn right context. निराहार संयम आपको अपने अस्तित्व और सोच को संरहित करने की शक्तिशाली तकनीक है। ये बड़े दुर्भाग्य की बात है कि मनुष्य की विचारधारा और अस्तित्व संरेखित नहीं है। फिर आप अपना जीवन ही को बैठे हैं, आप क्या करते हैं ये जीवन नहीं है, आप कोई कार्य क्यों कर रहे हैं और जीवन है, मैं प्रवचन क्यों दे रहा हूँ ये मेरा जीवन नहीं है, मैं क्यों प्रवचन दे रहा हूँ ये जीवन है, क्यों ही ये तय करता है कि आप अपने जीवन में क्या पाते हैं, आपके कार्य क्या आपके कार्य का क्या फल होता है। निराहार संयम एक बहुत ही शक्तिशाली मार्ग है जिससे आप अपने जीव ऊर्जा, अपना देह और अपना मन को संरेखित कर सकते हैं और आपको तब बोध हो जाएगा कि आपके जीवन में आप जो भी कर रहे हैं वो आप क्यों कर रहे हैं। ध्यान से सुनिए, यह निराहार संयम 3 स्तरों में होगा। पहले स्तर में आप बिना आहार के 2 दिन रहेंगे, उसके बाद 1 दिन का विराम होगा जहां आप खा सकते हैं। फिर दूसरे स्तर में आप 7 दिन के लिए बिना आहार के रहेंगे, फिर 1 दिन विराम होगा जहां आप खा सकते हैं। उसके बाद तीसरा स्तर में आप 11 दिनों के लिए आहार नहीं लेंगे। एक और बात यह है कि कल या निराहार संयम आरंभ करने के बाद आप चांस कोई भी फल के जूसेस, दूध, ऐसे कोई भी द्रव पदार्थों को पी सकते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? लिसन, if you are in any confusion and suffering, do nirahara samyama, because if you have taken the decision of marriage due to wrong context, divorce is not solution. Complete with the wrong context and create the right context. If you have taken sannyas due to wrong context, dropping sannyas is not solution. Complete with the wrong context and develop the right context. Listen, developing right context, I tell you, with the wrong context, whatever you do will become wrong. Because when you don't know why, if the why is not associated, with the flow of your being, listen, if your thinking flow is not directly connected with your being flow, you just live without a purpose. Please understand, even if there is no purpose, it's okay. You will live life without a meaning. Sometimes life may not have purpose, but it has a meaning. Right context is required for life. Whatever may be your problem, you are in depression, you are unhappy with your life, you are unhappy with your decisions, you are even not aware of why you decided what you decided, if you feel you are in mess, you are caught in a soup, you are suffering, listen, whatever may be the space with which you are suffering, feeling powerless, do Nirahara Samyama. Because with Nirahara Samyama, constantly the why will be aligned to you. The why will be aligned to you. Why you do what you do will be aligned to you. If why is aligned to your being, I tell you, the whole problem will be solved. If there are wrong reasons for your decisions, complete with those reasons, complete with those patterns. You don't need to drop your marriage or drop your sannyas or drop your job, drop your business, drop your career. Understand? Sometime you would have become liar for the wrong reason. Now you don't need to drop your liar profession. Now you don't need to drop your liar profession. What is the wrong context? What is the wrong reason? Complete with that context, complete with that reason. That wrong reason also may be because of some powerlessness. Maybe you have become a doctor for some wrong reason. But you don't need to drop that doctor profession. Just complete the wrong context. Wrong context also originates from some incompletion. Complete that incompletion, complete that powerless patterns, drop that wrong context and build the right context. I tell you, once I was asking one speaker, why are you speaking if you open your mouth? I don't see anything logical in your speaking. I don't think anything useful. He said, yes, Swamiji, I also discovered I don't have anything to speak. But by the time I realized I already became popular speaker. So I have to speak because I am a speaker. No, there are fools who write just because they are writers. Not that they have something to write. I tell you, sometimes people become doctor. Not that they want to treat people. With the wrong context, they become doctors. Understand? Whatever may be the wrong context, now you don't need to drop the profession. See, you may be speaker now because you are already become popular speaker. Now you don't need to drop that speaking profession. Just complete the past incompletions and drop the wrong context. Now develop the right context. Now decide, I'll develop the right context. I will enrich myself and enrich others through this talking. You don't need to develop anything new other than the right context to regain your life. Develop the right context, you will regain your life. Whatever field you may be in, if you feel life is useless, you are feeling powerless in life, you are feeling life is weak, you are suffering in life, you want to find a solution for life, I tell you, just find the right context, complete with all the past and the wrong context, develop a right context. Understand? The whole Sangha should learn this. When somebody comes to complete with the Sangha, the whole Sangha should remember this. Help each person who comes to complete to find the right context. They may be doing mistakes, they may be foolish, they may be inauthentic, they may be lack of integrity, because they might have taken sannyas with the wrong context. I wanted all our sannyasis, Naishtika Brahmacharis, even spiritual activists, to sit and contemplate today. Have you taken the sannyas with the right context? The right context for sannyasis: I will live integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching, and I will make people live integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. This is the right context. Other than this, if you have any other context for sannyas, out of any other context if you have taken sannyas, it is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. Understand? If you have taken sannyas with any other context, all of you should complete the past incompletion and drop the wrong context and build the right context. Whether you are a sannyasi, brahmachari, krama brahmachari, or a rishi, or a spiritual activist, or a lawyer, engineer, homemaker, doctor, religious leader, politician, whatever you may be, if you have taken politics because you are frightened about life, thinking politics will give you the protection, I guarantee you have taken politics due to wrong context. For whole life in politics, you will be frightened, you will be suffering with fear. You will never feel settled or secured. Because the context with which you have taken is wrong. Ultimately, you have to complete even with the context of why you took the body. If you took the body thinking with the body you will have more pleasure, more joy, you are wrong. You are not going to have that forever. Complete that incompletions of past and drop it. Drop the wrong context, create the right context. Creating the right context means new birth. You will have new birth. Today, I want every one of you to sit and find the right context of why you are doing what you are doing. If you feel there are wrong contexts in you, start Nirahara Samyama from tomorrow. Start the Nirahara Samyama from tomorrow. And in this Nirahara Samyama, your only purpose is to find why you are doing what you are doing. Complete all the past incompletions, wrong contexts with which you made the decision. I tell you, in wrong context, because you married, if you drop the marriage, that will become a one more pattern, and wherever you go, you are going to suffer. In wrong context, you took sannyas, so if you drop it, that will become one more pattern, and wherever you go, you are going to suffer. till you complete the past and drop the wrong context, life is going to be the suffering. Dropping the actual happening is a bigger wrong. Don't drop the actual happening, complete with your past and drop the wrong context. So, essence of today's satsang, dig out why you are doing what you are doing, drop all the past incompletions by completing it and the wrong context, and develop right context. If you want to know practically how you can do this, tune into today's webinar, which will exclusively lead you into this 8 p.m. India time on Nityananda TV, or go to your nearest two-way center. And I have one more announcement. Tomorrow morning, Monday, as usual, I'll be performing the Rudrabhishekam to the 21-foot Anandalinga, 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. It will be live on Nityananda TV, Lotus News and Sadhana TV. In all these channels it will be live. Rudrabhishekam is the worship done to Lord Shiva. It burns the karmic baggage, clears away negativity, fulfills our prayers, acts like Kalpataru. Anybody wants to sponsor the program, you can. Call the number on the screen if you would like to sponsor Rudrabhishekam. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.